Want to know how to create a slide in Kimi.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, make sure you are under Kimi.com. So, make sure you just head on to your web browser and type in Kimi.com, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be on a new tab. On the left side, just simply select new tab, and here on the leftmost side again, select slides right here. So once it's figured, as you can see, you can turn your ideas into stunning slides in minutes. So you can paste anything right here, add files, presets, and much more. You can also change from adaptive to visual as well, and you can go agent or sizes like this right here, and you can just simply type anything and select go, and it should create you a stunning slide. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.